Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. On your Windows 11 and Windows 10 PCs, if you receive this dialog box with error message that is your Windows license will expire soon, you need to activate Windows in settings. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Before that, I'm trying to hit 20,000 subscribers on YouTube. Please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages me in creating more similar videos. Click on the search icon and type services. When services appear in the search results, click to open it. In the services app, you need to locate Windows License Service Manager. Double click on it. This will open this window. Here, using the startup type drop down, change the setting to disabled. Click apply and OK. After that, close it. Next, click on the search icon and type CMD. When command prompt appear in the search results, click on Run as Administrator. When USC dialog box appear, click Yes to continue. In the command prompt window, you need to execute this command, that is slmgr space dash rearm and hit enter. Once you get this dialog box, restart your computer and this should fix the issue for you. I hope this helps. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.